Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today, finally getting around to tackling this trailer. So this was a trailer, it was in the dump. I figured try to salvage it and repurpose it for what I need. Not sure if it's 100% worth it. I limped it home. It's been sitting here for probably a good year. But I figured I'd go through it and try to see if I can adapt it to what I need it for. But it's gonna need a whole complete rework. So I want to kind of get this back to the barn, tear everything down, see what the frame looks like, if it's even worth it, and go from there. So for starters, I need new tires, but gonna fill them up. I got my portable air tank. This is my one of the best investments I made was buying this. This way I don't have to carry a compressor out with me. I don't have to set up electricity. I don't have to set up anything. I could just go right to the barn, fill it up, and bring it back out. But all right, so here we go. We're gonna get started. First, we're gonna, like I said, blow the tires up, and then we're gonna limp it back. I'm sure you guys are like me, everything's got prickers. Okay. It's not fair to get it back to the barn. All right, so let's take some of this stuff off. I'm gonna pull the trailer out a little bit. We got a lot of so I got two so-called legs set up. We got to figure that out. It was weird. It had two legs in there. I think the lights are beat. I think I'm gonna need all up. There's a lot of water coming out. We're gonna need some new lights. Obviously I need new tires. Looks like the tires are dry rotted, and they're also not holding air. But alright guys, now that we got that situated, just gonna get it back to the barn. So give me a minute to reposition cameras, and then we'll go from there. So hang on. Right now we just got the trailer in the barn. As you can see, I got a lot of projects I'm working on, a lot of different things. But alright, I just want to start breaking this down just to see if it's doable to fix it and redo it, or is it legitimately scrap. So, all right, here we go. We're just gonna start taking the wood off and get rid of it. It's all beat up. It's no good. All right. One piece down. It's all breaking apart. Next one. Number 2. Let's get the other side. This should hopefully just lift off. Screw it in over here. I think that's it. Yep, that's good. Okay. All right, all 3 sides are out. Now we got 2, oh, that's no good. Which we got to take all this apart, kind of clean it up, grind it down, paint it. But it looks like I got 2 different wheels, so to speak, the legs, the feet, whatever you want to call them. All right, I got to figure out a solution with that. With this, I got to figure that out. Now I got to figure out how to get the actual wood off. There we go. All right, so those bolts are 9/16. Let's see if I could just hit it. I gotta grab my those are not moving at all. Nope, not moving at all. Be back in a little bit. I gotta figure out another game plan because those are not breaking free. They're completely rusted. I'll spray them and soak them and then get back to you on what I'm doing, how I'm gonna do it. All right. Be right back, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It all helps me bring more videos to you. Until next time, keep up the hard work.